Learning theory from zero? Don't worry, we will make it simple and stress-free. Hello there, it's Ed here, and welcome to Ray Driving Theory channel. If you are new here, this channel helps you pass your driving test and feel confident behind the wheel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to learn the theory part of the UK driving test, what the test looks like, why most learners struggle, and how to use simple tools and daily practice to actually feel ready. Let's dive into it. The UK theory test has two parts, 50 multiple choice questions, 14 hazard perception clips. We actually have a full video on how to pass the hazard perception test, so check that one out on the Ray Driving Theory channel if you have not seen it yet. But today, we are focusing on multiple choice part, how to study and how to score high. You need to get 43 correct answers out of 50 to pass. You will have 57 minutes for the questions, and yes, you can flag any questions and come back to them later. Sounds like a lot? Let's break it down so it feels simple. Step 1, start with the mock test. Don't worry about scoring. It's just to see where you are and what you know already. The result doesn't matter. You're just gonna see yourself improving by each mock test and each sort of study what you do. So I've done mine. Questions, 17 out of 50. Total time, 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Obviously that speaks about it, that I did not read the questions, did I? And it nicely says to me, to complete today's agenda, study for 2 minutes. So it means I need to study for another 2 minutes. The app gives you that little push to, or a reminder that you haven't studied yet, study for a certain amount of time today, and so on. It's just gonna keep you on track and you're gonna get the notifications directly on your phone. Have you studied today? Now, let's move to the step 2, study by topics. Inside the app, you can choose a topics. And if we go onto the topics list, I have, for instance, alertness, 26 questions, practice full topic. Go through all questions, review your wrong answers, and make sure you understand the wrong answers. Hazard awareness, other types of vehicles, motorway rules, rules of the road, 67 questions, road and traffic signs, 133 questions. So make sure you study by topics. Step 3, use timed quizzes. In the app, you can use timed quizzes. You can play solo or with your friends. Try short 10 question sessions each day to build your confidence. So if we go in the app, I can go on quiz section. I have single player and I can play with friends. I'm gonna go by myself. 10 questions and I have time running down for each question. Great job, test completed. 8 out of 10 and total time 1 minute 42. By using the quizzes, it can be quite entertaining if you're getting to compete with someone, and it's going to drive you into a little bit more of that competitive stage of learning, which can help you make your progress. By the way, the Ray Driving Theory app is full with mock tests, study tips and hazard practice. Here is a simple plan that works. Study for 20 minutes, 4 or 5 times a week. Pick one topic per day. Use the checklist inside the app to track your progress. Do one full-length mock test each week. This way, you're not cramming, you are building a real understanding and you're not putting yourself under too much of a pressure. Learn from your mistakes. When you get something wrong, that's where the real learning happens. The app will show you the correct answers and short explanation. So the way I like to do it is I got a couple of questions wrong, so I'm gonna go on my mistakes section and I'm gonna practice with my mistakes. I have quite a few here. So question number 1, what can seriously reduce your ability to concentrate? Don't know. Which could be the answer? I don't fully understand the question, so I'm gonna go with a hint. Brilliant. Makes sense now. Yes, correct answer. So this is the way you can learn and you can actually understand the question. The key thing is try not to memorize the questions, but understand them. That's gonna give you success on your theory test. So read it, don't skip it. If you keep getting one topic wrong, go back and review just that topic and try to fully understand it. Build confidence for the test day. Once you start scoring 45 plus out of 50 on your mock test, you are on the right track. Look for these signs you are ready. You can finish a full test in time. You are scoring 90% or more, you are not just guessing, you understand why the answers are right. Now, these signs are gonna show that you are getting ready for your theory test. Avoid common theory mistakes. So one of the most common mistakes is what people do is they are rushing through the questions. Believe me, you have plenty of time to answer all of them. So rushing through the questions. Oh yeah, let's get quicker. I have no time. Believe me, in this space, I can't even read these questions. I'm under pressure on my test. I'm not even reading it out. Keep practicing. 4 out of 10. Make sure you don't rush it. Believe me, you're gonna have plenty of time. Another mistake what people do is they're not reading all the answer options. So you're not fully making the decision with the question. What's the first thing you must do if you have a collision while you're driving your car? Stop only if someone waves at you. Call the emergency services. Stop at the scene of the incident. Or stop only if any... I didn't read all of them, so I can't really make the decision. Call your insurance company. Which would be the correct one? More likely, stop at the scene of the accident. So make sure you read and you assess all of the questions. Quite a lot of questions are quite logic-based. So pay attention, read all of them, and make your decision. Another big mistake is when you're practicing, ignoring the questions you got wrong. Please pay attention on them questions. Read it, understand it. Look for the hints on the app. It's going to explain you the question, and you will be able to study and understand it. So now you know what the theory test includes, how to start preparing, and how to build a plan that really works. You don't need to memorize everything at once. Just focus on a daily practice, learn by topics, and keep track of your progress. Confidence comes from preparation, and now you have the tools to get there. If this video helped you, give it a like and leave a comment to let us know how your studying is going. Thank you for watching Great Driving Theory channel. Good luck, and I will see you on the next one.